Following the trend set by many software and apps, Rail Movement Planner now displays its interface in what industry calls a dark mode, bringing innumerable benefits to the user. Beyond a layout fad, dark mode is designed to enhance productivity in the entire operation. You probably know that the Operations Center is an indoor and dimly lit environment with dozens of screens displaying crucial information for traffic operators at all times. The room's tension is a lot like a stock exchange trading floor, an overwhelming amount of information displayed in numerous screens, a lot of pressure, and millions of dollars at stake. Thus, when something requires the controller's full attention, it can be challenging to detect it amid such brightness. Besides, prolonged exposure to bright screens has negative effects on the user's eyesight and attention span in such a demanding workplace. In such situations, Rail Movement Planner rises to the Operations Center's numerous challenges. Aside from all the benefits real-time traffic planning brings, reducing the immense workload and stress faced by traffic controllers and allowing them to shift their expertise towards strategic activities, the system's dark mode ensures even more benefits to the operator. When talking about welfare, it spares controllers' eyesight tension and effort by reducing contrast between screen brightness and the dim lighting. Additionally, sober color usage in the interface diminishes mental tiredness caused by information overload. It also increases productivity due to being more comfortable on the eyes, so the operator's attention span is improved. Dark mode is suitable for darker rooms and when the software provides more visual elements than the text, which is RMP's case. In such cases, readability and concentration are enhanced, subsequently improving overall productivity. Efficiency is also improved thanks to its better-suited color palette. It allows critical information to be more easily detected at a glance and calls for attention when not necessary, instead of saturating the screen with information that may or may not be useful at that moment. Dark mode, in general, decreases energy consumption, especially when considering multiple screens, which makes it environmentally friendly. Last but not least, of course, dark mode provides an easier-to-use, modern look and feel, improving user experience. Rail Movement Planner is much more than a real-time railroad traffic planner. With its new dark interface, it's also concerned with the Operations Center controller's well-being and productivity. Contact us and schedule a demo or trial in your network.